You're looking for a grill head that actually lets you throw on a steak after a quick warm-up, that won't start leaking gas on the patio, and that protects your investment when the weather turns. The last thing you need is to spend money on a replacement part that looks great on paper, but turns out to be a nightmare to fit or leaves you with uneven heat. That hesitation is real, especially when you've already spent a good chunk on a quality Bull outdoor grill and you're trying to protect that money. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. So let's talk about the Bull Outdoor 87048 Lonestar Select 60K BTU 4-burner grill head and its matching 30-inch cover. First off, this isn't a brand new grill you'll be assembling from a box of parts. It's a replacement head and cover designed for the 30-inch Bull outdoor lineup Angus, Outlaw, Lonestar Select, and a few other models that share the same dimensions. If you're the type who has already built a backyard cooking station around a Bull grill, you know the difference a solid head makes when you're trying to get that perfect sear. That's why the 60000 BTU rating matters. It means you can hit high heat fast enough to lock in juices on a ribeye without waiting 15 minutes for the burners to warm up. The 4 welded stainless steel burners are the core of that performance. In practice, they spread the flame across the full cooking surface, so you get consistent heat from edge to edge. I've seen people who use their Bull grills for everything from low and slow smoked chicken to quick flash-seared shrimp, and the even heating really shines in those scenarios. When you're cooking a large cut, like a 2-pound pork shoulder, the extra burners let you set up indirect zones without having to shuffle charcoal or buy a separate heat deflector. That flexibility is something you can't get from a cheap single-burner replacement. Now, the cover. It's made from 300 denier polyester, which is thicker than the typical 150 denier tarps you might find on a discount store shelf. The material is designed to stand up to rain, wind, and UV exposure, which is the sort of daily where your grill head faces when it's sitting out in a backyard. The elastic strap inside the cover pulls it snug around the grill head, so you're not left with a loose drape that flaps in the wind. In real-world terms, that means you can leave the cover on year-round without worrying about it getting caught on a tree branch during a gust, and you won't have to constantly readjust it. What does this combo actually save you? If your original grill head is starting to show rust spots on the burners, or the heat isn't as even as it used to be, swapping in a new 60K BTU head restores that original power level. Most owners report that a fresh head brings back that new grill feel, which is especially noticeable when you're trying to impress guests with a quick, high-heat sear. The cover then extends that life by shielding the head from moisture that can cause corrosion over time. Think of it as a two-pronged maintenance plan. The head gives you reliable cooking performance, and the cover keeps the hardware from degrading. Who should definitely consider this set? If you already own a Bull outdoor 30-inch LP gas grill, and you've either hit the end of the life cycle on your current head or you're looking to upgrade the heat output, this is a straightforward swap. It's also a good fit for anyone who lives in a climate with harsh winters or rainy springs. Those seasons are when a solid cover can prevent rust and keep the burners sealed. If you're a backyard chef who likes to experiment with different cooking zones, the 4-burner layout gives you the versatility to set up direct and indirect zones in one go. Who might want to pass on it? The first group is owners of grills that don't match the 30-inch footprint. Smaller 24-inch models or larger 36-inch units won't line up correctly, and you could end up with gaps or an unstable fit. The second group is budget-focused buyers who think a cheap, thin fabric cover will do the job. The polyester here is sturdy, but it's not a waterproof tarp. If you need a fully sealed, marine-grade cover for a coastal property, you'll want to look at a specialized product. Finally, if you're not comfortable with gas connections, swapping a grill head does involve turning off the propane, disconnecting the line, and resecuring it. While the process isn't rocket science, it does require a bit of confidence or a quick call to a technician. Let's walk through a typical weekend scenario. You fire up the grill around noon, attach the new head, and the burners ignite instantly with a clean, blue flame. Within 5 minutes, you're at a sizzling 500 F, perfect for that steakhouse-style sear. While the meat cooks, you set the burners on one side to low and place a pan of veggies on the other, creating an indirect zone without.